Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 IAL Unit 2 question number 6. Okay, we are supposed to calculate the ratios for Morpho Bay Holiday Apartment PLC. So in the first we had calculated return on capital employed, then dividend paid per share, dividend yield we had calculated, dividend cover also we had calculated. Okay, now we are supposed to calculate earnings per share. So let's calculate the earnings per share is going to be equal to, okay, earnings per share is going to be equal to, again you will have to take the net profit, okay, net profit after interest, okay, and tax, okay, minus any preference dividends paid. Okay, the total divided by what is the number of ordinary shares, okay, per ordinary shares. So total number of ordinary shares which has been issued, total number of issued ordinary shares available, okay, that was issued. So now we know that the net profit after the interest and tax and preference dividend we had calculated in the previous question, it is around this much, 3,660,000. So that is going to be equal to, this much, divided by the total number of ordinary shares. We had also calculated that in the previous year. The total number of shares issued was 60 million ordinary shares are there. So the earnings per share is equal to this, 3,660,000 divided by 60 million, that is equal to 6.1 pence per share. Okay, this is the amount of earnings per ordinary share. The next question is PE ratio, okay, price to earnings ratio. So what is the market price and what is the earnings per share that is achieved. So PE ratio or price to earnings ratio is nothing but, it's a ratio. So you take the market price per share and you divide it by earnings per share that you had calculated. So market price is around 1.8 pounds, okay, we had calculated. So that is nothing but 1.8 pounds divided by earnings per share, this is 6.1 pence, okay, per share, 6.1 pence per share. Either you convert, okay, both to pounds or pence and then divide. So here I am going to convert this as 180 pence divided by 6.1 pence per share. So that is going to be equal to 29.51, okay, is the ratio. It is, so it is given in terms of unit is times. So 29.51 times. So the market price, okay, per share divided by the earnings per share is the PE ratio. The PE ratio is around 29.51.